Model making is a complex job, but its rewards are substantial. Architecture companies use it to showcase their projects to clients and investors. Real estate companies generate leads and sales from exhibitions with detailed models. Retail outlets impress visitors and increase walk-in customers with visually striking displays. Ship manufacturing companies use models for compelling sales presentations during boat shows. Industrial companies explain complex ideas to prospects with detailed miniatures. As you can see, display models are used by diverse companies. Despite their varied applications, the end result is superior marketing and sales. Below are 7 case studies on how display models have transformed the sales of companies. Case Study 1. Malik, the sales manager at Ras Al Khoor Real Estate, contacted us to create a miniature model of their grand project for an upcoming exhibition. Previously, they only used 2D layouts and images, leading to minimal sales. By investing in a 3.2 meters length model, they attracted qualified clients and significantly boosted sales. The benefits were clear: increased lead generation and project sales. Case Study 2. Sandeep, sales manager at KBF Trading LLC in Qatar, needed miniature models for their chemical processing factories. After a failed attempt with a local model maker, they turned to us. We created 4 highly detailed models with LED lights and QR codes. The result was impressive PR, word-of-mouth marketing, and superior sales presentations. Case Study 3. Salman Qaida, owner of a scaffolding company in Saudi Arabia, wanted models for trade shows. After unsuccessful attempts with other designers, he collaborated with us. We created models based on images and videos, which he successfully used to attract leads at exhibitions. Case Study 4. Jiju, marketing officer at Unique World, needed a model of their yacht for exhibitions. We delivered a detailed model with base support, LED lighting, and an MDF box, enhancing their marketing and sales presentations and attracting leads at exhibitions. Case Study 5. Huzaifa from DCV Industries required a model to showcase container data centers at Gitex. We created a detachable container model with LED lighting and movable hinges in just 7 days. This model attracted leads and allowed them to test new market ideas. Case Study 6. Wellube, an industrial company, needed a display model to demonstrate their pipe cutting and maintenance services. We created a model with a moving piston to simplify complex workings, resulting in superior sales presentations at trade shows. Case Study 7. Zenith, a solar model company, wanted to strengthen relationships with their top buyers through corporate gifts. We produced a batch of miniature models that were given to distributors, enhancing customer loyalty and word-of-mouth marketing. Need to level up your sales and marketing? Book a 30-minute discovery meeting with Macoma Tech. We'll brainstorm your 3D model details, explore features to enhance attractiveness, discuss ways to generate leads, and provide a cost estimate that fits your budget. Transform your business with our custom display models.
Yeah!